have written all the two equations, right? Yes or no? See, these two equations we have written, right? Correct, no? Now, this equation, this equation, I'm going to write all V1 terms together. So, what is V1 terms? 1 by R1 plus R2 plus 1 by R3 into V1 minus 1 by R3 V2 equal to I1. This is first equation, right? Now, second equation, minus 1 by R3 V1 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5 plus R6 into V2 equal to 0. That is what is written here. So you got two equations like this, equation 3 and equation 4. Okay, that this is the coefficient of V1, coefficient of V2 in the first equation, coefficient of V1, coefficient of V2 in the second equation. Now solving these two equations, you can get the answer for V1 and V2. If you know V1 and V2, you can find out the current through any branch using the equation. You got the point? How to find out using nodal analysis? Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us do this problem. First problem. Take down. For the given circuit, find V1 and V2. Take down. Have you finished diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, at node 1, first node, at node 1, okay. So this is my node 1, right? This is my node 1. This is node number 1 and this is node 2. Okay. So here this branch current is coming, which is an incoming current, and that is given by current source. So no need to give the direction. The other two branches I am assuming leaving direction. Tell me the equation at node 1. What is this current?
V1 by 10 is
V1 by 10 plus
V1 minus V2 by 5
V1 minus V2 by 5 is equal to
2.
2. This is equation number 1. Now, considering this node, so these two I have to assume as leaving. Tell me. But even here also, this is also leaving, this is also leaving. All are leaving only. Tell me at V2. What
V2
is
minus
this current?
V2 minus V1 by 5
V2
20 plus V2 minus V1 by
5
5
plus 2 plus 4
2 plus 4 equal
is equal to 0.
0. Equation number 2. Now write it minus 1, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5 V1 minus 1 by 5 V2 is equal to 2. Right? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5 is 3 by 10. Yes or no? V1 minus 1 by 5 V2 is equal to 2. LCM. Since this is 10, 2 into 5 is 10, you can make this as 3, this as 2 by 10, 2 plus 1, 3 by 10. Okay. Now again LCM. Here you can you can take 10 as
10.
LCM again. So 3v1
minus
minus
2v2
minus 2v2 is equal to
20.
20, right? So this is equation number 3. 3v1 minus 2v2 equal to 20. All of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just rearranging with the LCM, that's it. Okay, if you don't know how to take LCM and all, here itself you can stop and you can just take in the decimal value and you can put it in the calculator and find out, no problem at all. Okay. Okay. Now coming to this
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
V1 is minus 1 by 5 V1 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 5 V2 is equal to minus 6. 2 plus 4, 6. I am taking it outside. So minus 6. So here I am taking as 20. So this is 4. 5 by 20. 5 by 20 minus 1 by 5 V1 plus 5 by 20 V2 is equal to minus 6. Now again 20 as LCM. Minus 4 V1 plus 5 V2 is equal to 6 into 20 is
120.
minus 120. Equation number 2. Or 4v1 minus 5v2 is equal to 120. So 2 equations you got. Solve it. So the equations are 3v1 minus 2v2 equals to 20 and 4v1 minus 5v2 is equal to 120. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Solve it. What is v1? What is v2? Are you all able to understand? I am hearing only few of yours voice. That's why. Anybody is not understanding or am I going fast? Please tell me.
No, ma'am, nothing like that.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, find out. Find out V1 and V2.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, V1 is equal to minus 20 volts and V2 is equal to minus 40 volts.
Minus 20 volts and
Minus
minus 40.
Minus 40.
All
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Minus 20 volt and minus 40 volts. Next equation with voltage source we will write. This find out V1 and V2 for the following circuit. Okay, have you taken down the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see here there is a voltage source E, right? Yes or no? Here there is a voltage source E. In that case, from this figure, from this one, V1, what is current flowing through this node? This branch?
V1 minus E by R.
V1 minus E by R1. Okay.
R1.
V1, if plus side is here, then V1 minus E by R1. Suppose it was like this, minus plus, then it will be V1 minus E. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is V1 minus E by R1 plus V1 by R2 plus V1 minus
V1 minus
V2
V2 by
by
R3.
R3 is equal to I. This is your first equation. Second equation, all are leaving currents. So V2 minus V1 by R3 plus V2 by R4 plus I is equal to 0, right? So these two equations you can solve and find out the answer. So just I am giving the values for this. Let E is equal to 10 volts, I is equal to 5 amps, R1 2 ohms, R2 4 ohms, and R3 8 ohms, and R4 equals 10 ohms. Find out, substitute and find out the value of V1 and V2. What is V1 and V2? Have you done? Finished? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
V1 equals
Minus 0.47 volts.
0.47 volts and V2 is
Minus 22.48.
all of you got this one?
Ma'am, I got a different answer.
Which one you got? What did you get?
V1 is equal to 23.913 volts and V2 is equal to minus 32.609 volts.
Which one is correct? Anybody else got the answer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I've got even a different answer.
You got?
A different answer from these two.
Oh, again different answer.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
V1
it?
is 8.965 volts and V2 is minus 17.24 volts.
Ma'am, even
241.
I got this answer only.
This answer
241.
anybody else got?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
got.
Yes.
Ma'am, 17.27.
Ma'am, 24.
Whatever.
17.241.
17.2 volts. Okay, whatever.
Ma'am,
How
minus,
many of you got this answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
have got this answer.
Yes, ma'am. I got the answer, ma'am.
So this would be the
8.
correct answer then. Please check others if any. I haven't solved it. I just gave you the values now. So this would be the correct answer since I will check it again once. Okay.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
V2 is minus 17.24 volts. Minus 17.
It is
V2.
minus you got.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Check it. Since I haven't solved it, I will tell you next class. I have not gotten the calculator today. Okay. So now this one you take down. This question. Have you taken down the figure?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Taken down the figure?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is my first node. One second. This is my first node and this is my second node, right? First node, tell me the equation. V1, this currents. Tell me. V1?
V1 by
10.
V1 minus?
minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Why? Because here at this point minus has come. Okay. V1 minus 10 minus
V2
V2
by
divided by 4
4.
plus
plus
V1 by 10.
V1 by
10
plus 5
5
equals
is equal to 0.
0. Right? Then second, this node equation. This is going like
Ma'am,
this.
but
This is
it is
going like this.
traveling from minus to plus, right? Wouldn't we
No,
still
that is what. Don't, in nodal analysis, how we have taken in mesh analysis, don't think that way. See, we are telling at a point voltage is V1 means that is plus V1 is applying there. You got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why, since here negative, in this point actually minus 10 and this point plus 10 or minus
Okay.
5 and plus 5, you can, whatever it may be. Anyway, it is minus is appearing here, right? That is why we took minus 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Got my point? Don't get
Yes,
confused with that rise in potential and fall in potential here.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we are here it is like two voltage sources connected like this. If this is the case, it will be plus, right? V1 plus V2. If this is the case, it is V1 minus V2. This is actually the your logic uses here. So you just, in nodal analysis, if in your way, first if negative is coming, then minus 10 you have to put. Okay? Got my
ma'am.
point? Okay. Now second equation you tell V2 by 6
by 6
plus
plus V2 minus 10 by minus V1
V2 minus 10 minus V1.
minus V1 by 4 is equal to 0.
Okay. Now solve this one. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 10 V1 minus 1 by 4 V2. This is 10 by 4. 10 by 4 plus 5 plus 10 by 4 plus 5 is equal to 0. Is this the first equation you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Second equation?
6 V1 minus 10 V2 is equal to 60.
So second equation you got as minus 6 V1 plus 10 V2 equals 60. Is this correct?
Actually, ma'am, sign has to be different because you have taken 10 by 4 is equal to
Excuse me,
positive.
excuse me.
Sorry, ma'am.
Huh, Anusha? Huh? I am in class now. No, 4 o'clock. Why? Ayo. Okay. 4 o'clock I will finish the class. Okay. Bye. Bye. This is not correct. This equation, what is the change?
Ma'am, actually, you have taken 10 by 4 as positive on the right hand side.
Where?
No, just a minute, ma'am. No, actually, it's correct. It's correct, ma'am.
It is correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer?
Ma'am, V1 is equals to minus 30 volt and V2 is equals to minus 12 volt.
Minus 30 volt and V2 is equal to
Minus 12 volt.
Minus 12 volts.
12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct answer. Minus 30 and minus 12 is the answer. Finished, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take down this problem as homework. This is actually very easy. This we have already done this type. So, okay. Take down this as homework. Find the current in 10 ohm resistor. So the same thing only, just it is drawn in some other way. But here it is given that this is reference. So you have to take this is equal to 0. This voltage equal to 0. So this is your V1 and this is your V2. Okay. Take down this network, homework. Finished? Diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This one also you take down as homework. For the network shown, find Vs which makes I0 equal to 7.5 milliamps. So you have to write the equation, then you have to substitute I0 equal to 7.5 milliamps. You want to do this problem in class? Okay, we'll do this problem in class. Then one more I will give as homework. This you take down now. We will do it now. Hello? എന്താ ആണോ ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ്സിലാ പിന്നെ വിളിക്കാവേ. Have you taken down the figure? Network?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
here what
ma'am.
is given? Here it is little bit in different way it has been asked, right? Vs, which is Vs? This voltage Vs we have to find out, so that I0 is equal to 7.5 milliamps. Okay. So first we will write the nodal equation. So this is reference node. So V ref equal to 0 here. This is your V1. This is your V2. Tell me the equation in V1. I'm considering this current flowing like this current flowing like this current flowing like this. Tell me the equation V1. Tell.
Minus V2 by 4.
This one. This current first you tell. First current. V1 minus
Vs
Vs
divided
by
by
8.
8
8
plus
plus
12.
12.
Right? 8 plus 12 is 20.
20
Plus
plus
V1
by
by
7
plus
plus
V1
V1
minus
minus V2
V2 by
by
4
4.
equals 0. So this is our equation number
0.
1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, right? Now, what is I0 you tell me?
V2 by 6
V2
by 6.
by 6 is equal to I0, right? If then what is V2? 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 6. What is the answer?
$45 milliamperes.
45 millivolts, right?
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Millivolts.
7.5 into 6 is 45
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
millivolts.
Volts.
Fine. Now tell me the equation in the second node. So let it be. Okay. So tell me V2 minus
45 millivolts minus
V1 by let it
4.
be. First you tell the equation. V2 minus V1 by
4.
4 plus
V2 by
V2
6.
by 6 plus V2
I
by
naught.
6 equal to 0.
0.
Right? But V2
Yes,
by
ma'am.
6 is equal to 7.5 milliampere, I0. Again, V2 by 6 is equal to 7.5 milliampere. And V2 we have found at 45 millivolts. Put all here and find out V1. So 45 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus V1 by 4 plus 7.5 plus 7.5 is 15 into 10 raised to minus 3
Minus
is
3.
equal to 0. So what is V1?
millivolts.
105 or 15?
105. 105.
We will write again 45 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus V1 is equal to minus 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Or
ma'am.
V1 is equal to 45 plus 15. That is, sorry, 15 into 4 is 60, right?
60. Yes, ma'am.
60.
60
45
plus 40.
plus 105. 105 millivolts. You
Millivolts.
got, right?
Yes, ma'am.
V1 is equal to 105 millivolts. All of you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
substitute the value of V1 and V2 in this equation so that only Vs will be left. Find out Vs. So 105 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus Vs divided by 20 plus 105 into 10 raised to minus 3 by 7 plus 105 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus 45 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 4 equal to 0. Find out Vs.
Ma'am, Vs is coming 705 millivolts. 705 millivolts.
705 millivolts or 0.705 volts. Did you get that answer? Let me check the answer. Yeah, Vs is equal to 0.705 volts. All of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this one you have taken as homework, right? Now, this also you take as homework. This is a very easy problem. With 2 voltage sources. So 4 questions, homework questions, all of you should finish it while coming for the next class. 2 from mesh analysis and 2 from nodal analysis. We will discuss it. Have you taken down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think nodal analysis also clear for you. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
our next topic is star delta transformation. Star delta transformation, which I will start in next class. Because anyway, there is no time to finish it off. Or else shall I start? All of you tired?
Anything
Yes,
is fine.
ma'am.
Huh? Okay, I'll start in next class. In star delta also we have to do some problems. Okay, we'll do it in next class. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let me download the attendance. Thank you all.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
just
Thank
one
you, ma'am.
question. Every Friday, will you be taking at this time?
Yeah, Chaitra ma'am told she's not taking during 2:30, so I will start at 2:30 only, so that we can
Okay,
finish
ma'am.
early, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.